Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Crypto Stocks and You. I'm your host Ulises Herrera. Guys, today the day is January 12th, 1:31 p.m. California time. You are now rocking with the best. Guys, we're going to talk today about what is going on with Bitcoin and Ethereum, because it seems like, as I mentioned yesterday on my video, it looks like we're having some good news. Granted, I predicted that we wouldn't be able to reach 44,000 for Bitcoin. And I'm always happy to eat my words, guys, because once again, I am not a financial advisor, guys. Once in a while, we predict things and maybe they don't come true. Now, obviously, this wasn't this was more of a good thing that I was wrong than a bad thing, because obviously the price action keeps going up. And if you've been buying the dip like I told you, then you're actually happy, because I'm happy because I've been buying the dip and now I'm making money. So guys, but most of the time our predictions do come true, guys. But when the market is so kind of flimsy, it's really hard to really gauge where it's going, because one day we're up because of, market euphoria. One day we're down because of the Federal Reserve talking about raising interest rates, and then the Federal Reserve and then Chairman Jerome Powell comes on and says, hey, things are good, never mind, and then the market keeps going up. So it's hard for technical analysis to work when market sentiment can be swayed so many different ways based on emotions of what is going on with the economy, businesses, the thing that is making everybody sick, all those things, guys. But either way, let's get right into it. So if you guys remember my DXY chart prediction I had about maybe 2 weeks ago, where I mentioned to you that we are hitting 30-year resistance on the DXY. Look how crazy this is, guys. As soon as that DXY, I told you, remember, look, I said, look, when that DXY starts going down, then Bitcoin starts pumping. And it is exactly what is happening, guys. That DXY is losing power. We're hitting that 30-year resistance, 33 years. And obviously now that the DXY is going down, then Bitcoin is now pumping, guys. We said this would happen, and now look what's happening, guys. We just smashed that prediction, and this came out 2 weeks ago, guys, when things were clearly still bearish. And we said, look, this could be signs that we could be reversing sometime soon, guys. If you remember this, like, subscribe, hit the notification bells, guys, because we saw this coming, and now it's coming into fruition, and it's leading us to believe that, leading me to believe, if once again we keep going down on the DXY just more and more, Bitcoin is just going to continue to pump. That's just what it is. So that's pretty freaking awesome, guys. Let's see what's going to happen for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is finding that nice support, guys. I mean, I mentioned to you in my last video, I mean, it is dead spot on our horizontal array on the 1 week. That's kind of what we want to see, guys. We starting to see that dumpiness, but also that horizontal ray is kind of just holding on. Now, could we technically, if things were to kind of turn like not good, like let's say we were just to crash all of a sudden, go back into this horizontal ray like 39,000 and still bounce up and be positive, I think that would be a possibility still. I do think it would be a possibility. So I'm not completely like, oh man, now we gotta keep going up. If we do a small retest again, which I think on the lower time frames, there's no way around it. We're gonna have to retest some key support, and that's where I may be going in all in on that key retest. So guys, we need to eventually, we've been kind of pumping, which is a good thing. Now these waves, they're eventually gonna need to go like this. So like that, obviously, as you guys know and have seen, and we've been going through over and over at the channel, this is gonna go like this, and then eventually it's gonna go like this again. And we're gonna see where the price action leaves us when we're right here, and that's probably where I'm gonna buy. Will it be at 42,000, 41,500? I don't know, but I can tell you this, I'm gonna probably go heavy on that retest if it holds. Now, if that retest doesn't hold and we break down even more, then I'll watch the levels and then buy that dip as well too. So So it's not like I'm just gonna go all in and then see, you know, not blindly. No, I'm gonna see what happens to the retest of major support levels, and then we'll see. And then I'm gonna go either all in based on that or see what happens. But overall, things look good, guys. Things look good for once in like the last 2 or 3 months. So the one thing that I'm concerned about is Ethereum. I'm not concerned, I'm just kind of like scratching my head. Like Ethereum on the 1 week chart, it's like, okay, oops, gosh, not this again. Sorry guys, this thing is so annoying. There we go, let's erase that. There we go. So Ethereum, now on my MACD, we just printed an X. Usually when you print that X, it leads to more dumpiness, but the last time it printed also, we were near that dump already. Now, we haven't, excuse me guys, haven't printed any negative momentum yet. So what I am asking myself, what's gonna happen? Are we gonna eventually get this negative momentum going down? Or are we gonna start seeing this blue positive momentum resurge again, like this? I don't know at this point what's gonna happen, because hypothetically speaking, Ethereum, if it doesn't bounce here, where this is the open interest money flow index on the green, if it goes below into the red, that usually leads to negative price actions. Now if we bounce off of here and then keep going, then it could be a possibility that all that blue momentum will return again and we'll just see some pumps coming in. I don't know, I can't tell you right now, but we did just print this nice candle on the 1 week, which did, if we hadn't printed that and this would have gone below, then we would basically be below the 50-day moving average and into the 2800 to 2200 area, which we didn't go to, so that's a good thing. So right now for Ethereum, for the next couple hours, same thing as Bitcoin, guys. I'm kind of waiting for that retest and see where we're gonna end up on the retest, because we always need to create we always need to retest major support levels. And you know what, and I can't believe I missed this, guys. I cannot believe I missed this, but there was like a small double bottom here, guys, and that's actually bullish. Obviously once you break the neckline on the double bottom, then you get a pump, and that's exactly what happened. It looks like we broke this neckline here, and then you get this nice little pump. So I can't believe I didn't see that, but it happened, which is good. Obviously now we're gonna need to retest major support levels, and where we're gonna end up after that is probably where I'm gonna think about buying even more. So and guys, also one last thing, if you guys remember my DXY chart prediction I had about maybe 2 weeks ago, where I mentioned to you that we are hitting 30-year resistance on the DXY. Look how crazy this is, guys. As soon as that DXY, I told you, remember, look, I said, look, when that DXY starts going down, then Bitcoin starts pumping. And it is exactly what is happening, guys. That DXY is losing power. We're hitting that 30-year resistance, 33, I think, 33 years. And obviously now that the DXY is going down, then Bitcoin is now pumping, guys. We said this would happen, and now look what's happening, guys. We just smashed that prediction, and this came out 2 weeks ago, guys, when things were clearly still bearish. And we said, look, this could be signs that we could be reversing sometime soon, guys. If you remember this, like, subscribe, hit the notification bells, guys, because we saw this coming, and now it's coming into fruition, and it's leading us to believe that, leading me to believe, if once again we keep going down on the DXY just more and more and more, Bitcoin's just going to continue to pump. That's just what it is. So that's pretty freaking awesome, guys. Well, that's it for now, guys. Thank you very much for watching. You can always get out of the rat race too. I'll see you on the next one.